welcome back, and here's another beautiful day at Epcot.
Yes.
And today we're going to be showing you Epcot updates, construction, all kinds of
deconstruction.
stuff. So stick around, guys, and we're going to show you around right here at Epcot.
That's right. Hope you enjoy all the updates. All right, so the first thing we notice when we walk in is they are taking down the old cool spot, and the old Starbucks area is being torn down.
And what's cool is you're actually seeing the skeleton of what all this is right here. And that is pretty cool. So
tearing it down.
That is going away to expand and open up. Remember, that is going to be part of Moana.
All right, so there's one change right there. Deconstruction. And here is a look at Remy's Ratatouille adventure ride that's set to open in the summer of 2020 from the Skyliner. Of progress on the Space 2020 restaurant. Look, they've painted it green now. Looks like the outside is finished, and it should be opening early 2020, and we are in January 2020, so we will keep checking for you guys, and we'll try to get in there as soon as possible once it opens. Located next to Test Track. Looks like they're coming along on Guardians of the Galaxy. And look at the building back there behind the yellow dome. A lot of construction going on. Oh, the new restrooms are opened here at the entrance to the World Showcase.
And they really needed it because the one behind the refreshment area was small, dated.
Wow.
I'm glad to see this one open.
Yes, that's nice that they opened a new restroom. And there's a new Starbucks area. People can now have their coffee at Epcot again. It wasn't closed for very long though.
No.
But there it is.
Really good job. Look at that.
Wow, it's pretty nice looking. Another change we've noticed are these tube lights. What are these?
So cool.
They look like they might be fluorescent. They look like lightsabers.
Yeah.
But we're here at Epcot. Neat.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the updates here at Epcot on a beautiful day in the 50s. Awesome day.
Beautiful.
Enjoyed it.
Perfect
Enjoyed
day.
showing it with you guys, sharing it.
That's right.
Enjoyed sharing it with you guys. And until next time, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.